to another Decorate With Me video, but we are switching gears and we are going to be starting with Halloween decor. I know some people have already decorated for Halloween, but I like to wait until after Thanksgiving, because I am in Canada, to start with the Halloween decor. So we have just finished Thanksgiving this past weekend and it's time to start decorating for Halloween. I don't go too overboard. I do my front porch, couple decor pieces throughout the house, but the one thing that I absolutely love decorating for every season, every occasion possible, are my tier trays. So that is what I'm starting my Halloween decor with, are the tier trays. So if you enjoy tier trays, make sure you like this video, share it with a friend. If you're not subscribed, I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family by pressing that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when the new videos come up. So without further ado, we're gonna start decorate. So I'm starting off with my tier tray, the 3-tier tray that is galvanized and it came from Home Depot. I believe this was one of their special buy items because I have never seen it after that. Once I purchased it, I have never seen it after that. And I really wanted to incorporate some of my Disney mugs because I wanted the theme of this to go kind of hocus pocus, Disney theme. I also like Nightmare Before Christmas often during this Halloween decorating season, so I was trying to figure out which direction to go with this. A lot of my DIYs like this Jack Skellington face have been DIY'd by me last year. I did quite a bit last year actually over on my DIY channel, so if you want to head on over and check those out, make sure you go into a Halloween playlist and they will be all in there. I had DIY these and all the ones that I'm using for Hocus Pocus theme as well. So whenever I decorate the tier trays, it's pretty much I play around with it until I get to the point where I'm somewhat satisfied with the way it looks. I sometimes go back and change it out a couple days later after having some time with it and checking it out and seeing how it sits. I do like kind of cheerful Halloween rather than scary Halloween, but I do like adding a little bit of spookiness into it as well. So these Disney mugs have come from, the pumpkin one came from Alani this summer when we visited. I'm pretty sure you can get them at Disney parks, in Disney World, at any store as well. And also the little Mickey ghost, that I purchased that several years back, and that came from World of Disney, I want to say, or one of the Disney stores at the parks. Little skeleton heads, as well as the bones that I'm adding, that all came from the Dollar Tree, as well as a lot of little small pumpkins I'm going to be adding. They had all come from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. lot of the greenery type of stuff that I'm adding are things that were either taken apart from an old wreath, or just maybe some stuff that fell apart, and I just keep little pieces like leaves and berries and stuff like that, and stems, because they're all great fillers for the tier tray. Once I have all of my big pieces in, I just kind of fill them in where I see fit, with anything else that might need to go in there just to fill up the spots. So I'm quite happy with the way this one turned out. I just love how cheerful and bright it is, but with a little hint of spookiness. The next tier tray that I'm working on is this 2-tier tray. I had purchased this on Amazon, and I'm pretty sure you can still find it. I will link it down in the description box, because I'm pretty sure I have it on my Amazon store. And this one I went in with kind of a mixture of just pumpkin stuff and a little bit of Nightmare Before Christmas. And then I also have this Haunted Mansion sign that I DIY'd last year as well. I just want to say, if you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Sonja, and this is my home channel where I share tons of decorating and cleaning inspiration. So if this is something that you enjoy watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. And if you're enjoying this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me down a comment and let me know which tier tray you liked better. And I would love to know if you enjoy decorating tier trays as well. I just think it's such a great way to add tons of decor without overwhelming the space.
I think this one turned out so cute as well. Like I said, a little bit of spooky, but a ton of cuteness in there. And I love the orange against the black. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, leave me a comment down below, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out any of my future uploads. I have several more Halloween decor videos coming your way, so you definitely want that notification bell to be on. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.